Appreciation or gratitude? Is there a difference? Well, that is a great question. There is a slight difference. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Charisma Arrow, iconic brand strategist and visibility coach for conscious entrepreneurs who are ready to share their message and have a greater impact in the world. I help them get visible and create an iconic brand that stands out so that they can have the income, the freedom, and the impact they desire. Now today is Happy Soul Sunday. I just love Sundays because it's a time for reviving, it's a time for restoration, it's a time to really get your mind in gear for the week and all the things coming up that's ahead of you, and that you can plan your week accordingly. So today I really want to kick off a message that I'm going to be sharing over the next few days coming up, and it's all about appreciation. But before I get into that, you may be wondering, okay, what is the difference between appreciation and gratitude? You always hear you should be grateful, to create a gratitude jar, and gratitude is something that's always big at the time of Thanksgiving, and we should be grateful. However, appreciation now takes it to a whole new level. So here's the slight difference between gratitude and appreciation. So gratitude is when you give thanks. You wake up in the morning, you give thanks for being alive, or you're grateful that you have a car to drive to work, or a house to live in, a bed to sleep in. You are grateful. But when we say that we are grateful for something, there still may be a negative attachment to whatever we are saying that we're grateful for. For example, the car that we may be saying, I'm so grateful for the car that I have to drive. But as soon as you say that, a thought about the car payment may be coming up, or you need to put gas in the car, or the mileage, you've gone over your mileage, and all of these things that may be not so positive will be triggered when we express gratitude for these things. Now, the difference between appreciation and gratitude is that when you appreciate something, you're taking it to the next level. They're very interconnected, they're very integrated. However, appreciation now takes it to the next level. And appreciation is also at the level of love. So it's at that level of vibration that's the highest in terms of the vibrational level and energy. So appreciation now is really understanding and appreciating the value of the person or thing. So for example, the value of your partner. You may think, okay, you're grateful for him, he may drive you around the bend sometimes, but the appreciation, and when you really come to appreciate him, it's like you see him for who he is, the man that he is, strong, powerful, and maybe he's funny, maybe he's an intellect, but you see all of those good qualities that you can appreciate and having him in your life. And so appreciation really is about recognizing the value in someone or something, and it really provokes a sense of love and joy and a sense of positive feeling and emotion when we really and truly appreciate someone or something. So I hope you understand the difference. Throughout the rest of the week, I'll be sharing every day how you can practice appreciation every day in different ways, whether that's in your life or in your business. So until then, I hope you've had value in this message for today. I would encourage you to go ahead and share it with your community or anyone you know that can value from it. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.